Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to make prawn mapas. So you might be wondering what is the meaning of mapas. It is it's a tangy dish which is cooked with coconut milk. It is called mapas. And mapas, we can make this mapas with a chicken. We can use prawns. We can use beef, etc. But today we are going to use prawns. So we are going to make a prawn mapas. So let's see how to make it. And welcome to Travel Chef. Well, in this video, we will be showing you what are the ingredients that we have used, also the method of dish is made. Also, if you have any doubts or any questions of what are the ingredients used, please refer to the description box below and you will find the exact ingredients that we have used to make this prawn mapas. So let's start with the first ingredient, and that would be, over here we have got around 200 grams of long and big prawns. We have bought frozen prawns. We can also use fresh prawns. Here we are going to clean it up, and we clean it thrice with clean drinking water. So we have made a thick coconut milk. This is our first coconut milk. So we have added little more water, and this is a second coconut milk that we will be straining. The second coconut milk is more thinner and little waterier compared to the first coconut milk. We have taken a clean pan and lit a stove, and now we are going to pour 2 tablespoons of oil. We have used rice bran oil, or you can use any vegetable oil. We wait till the oil is hot. Now the oil is hot. We need to add half a teaspoon of mustard, and we should wait till it splutters. Once the mustard has spluttered, we need to add the chopped onions. We've added 1 chopped onion, and we need to mix it with the mustard. The next is to add 4 green chilies that we have chopped lengthwise. Now we need to mix the ingredients together. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We continue to stir till the vegetables are soft. Next is to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We add half teaspoon of turmeric. The next is to add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Next we need to add half a teaspoon of pepper. We continue to stir till the raw taste of the vegetables go away. The next is to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now we need to add the prawns. And we continue to mix the prawn along with the masalas. The next step is to add the Kerala tamarind or the Malabar tamarind. We have got 3 pieces of Malabar tamarind. We have mixed the Kerala tamarind with the prawns to get a little sour taste. Next we are pouring the second milk or the thin coconut milk. Now we need to wait for the prawns to cook by closing the tawa and placing the stove on low flame. Now it is more than 10 minutes that we have kept our prawns to cook, and we have raised it on high flame now. prawns are half cooked and we have raised the stove on high so that the gravy starts thickening a bit. We have raised it on high flame so that the prawns also will get cooked simultaneously. Now the gravy has thickened and we need to reduce it to low flame. Now we need to add the 1 cup of thick coconut milk or the first milk. We need to stir it a bit. We have poured our first milk. We don't need to make it boil, but when it's hot enough, prawn mapas is ready to be served. Now we need to switch off the stove. This tangy dish made with coconut milk can be had with rice, with chapatis, and lip smacking and tasty. Do try it at home. We hope that you liked watching our videos and we request you to like and subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications regarding our future recipe videos. And until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye-bye.